Sanibonani guys, igama ngiqabeleni phathela amazwi lami e-Inimba ngomhla ka-1 May. Guys, u-Azande-ke uyasha ngale idea le kaqhawekazi ye-medical technology. Uhambile-ke namhlanje waya kuzoleka ehleli no-Onga eyomtshela ukuthi guys, mengase kuthiwa le idea kaqhawekazi asiyithathi, we would be very very stupid. Uyazi angilalanga izolo ebusuku ngicabangana nale idea kaqhawekazi. Uyazi ngize ngafonela uBill William waphesheya kwey'lwandle, ngithe mengimnikeza nje information encane ngale idea kaqhawekazi, wathatheka washo kahle ukuthi nje it's an excellent idea and he's willing to help. Yazi akudingi nanokuthi sibe nemali. He's got capital, he's got networks, he's got connections. So into soyenza thina nje ukusetha up i-meeting naye, ebese-ke emva kwalapho yonke into iyahlangana. Wamane wathi Onga, the answer is no. Wathi kutheni ngaweke wena? Yini uthi ithe no? Wathi ngoba ngiyamazi uBill Williams, he's a shark. Uhlezi njalo efuna ukuthi amabhizinisi nama-ideas amancane angene ngaphansi kwakhe khona ezowagwinya awenza wakhe. So thina uma singezi nemali kuwuyena ophethe imali, obviously sizofola ngaphansi kwakhe, even though i-idea kweyethu. So this is just a premature idea, so we can't really take it. Guys, uZoleka was impressed by i-response ka-Onga. Eloke embuka nje u-Azande ukuthi uzoqhubeka kanjani, eloke ecindezela ukuthi le idea ithathwe iyiswe phesheya kwey'lwandle. Hhayi-ke emva kwalapho-ke uphoxekile u-Azande ukubona ukuthi-ke uZoleka is not defending her but rather taking Onga's side. Wahamba-ke u-Azande wawufonela uma wakhe eyosho ukuthi yeyi mama, labantu abafuna undiva kaloku. Uma wakhe-ke guys akamvunanga, ushilo ukuthi wena thetha noSigqibo nokuthi-ke usiyolisa kakuva. Wathi uyazi uSigqibo umane nje aphenduke isimungulume lapha eduze kaZoleka. Wathi mntanami, leli khaya selixabane kakhulu, angifuni siphinde sixabane as umndeni. So mengase kuphinde futhi kube khona ukuqhekeka kulo mndeni, hhayi andisazi-ke nami basewenza ntoni. Guys, uhambile-ke u-Azande wayothetha noSigqibo phela ecabanga ukuthi ngoba vele abandawonye hlampe uzomzwela. Wathi yazi Zoleka andiyithandanga indlela othethe ngami nayo ngesikhathi kukhona u-Onga. Ngiyamazi u-Onga ukuthi he's a very very excellent person in his job as a CIO, and ngingabazi ukuthi one day he could lead even this Khusela, but not today. Uyazi my idea was perfect ukuthi sihambise le idea kaqhawekazi siyise phesheya kwey'lwandle, because there it will require nothing from us financially. They will take over everything ezothatha isikhathi ukuthi thina sibe nayo, ebese-ke thina-ke siyakwazi ukuthi le idea kaqhawekazi siyise globally, ihambe amazwe ngamazwe. Ayi-ke guys, Lazarus naye wangamdefend u-Azande, washo kahle ukuthi yazi i-idea without a discipline it will collapse. Athi yabona ngiyakwazi uba uthetha ngantoni njengamanje, like u-ambitious but ayizusebenza ngalolu hlobo. Wa-eda uZoleka wathi wena sikubeke la ukuthi uzokhula, ayi ukuthi ulokhu usinikeza ama-ideas wonke. Wathi ngampela ningilethele la ukuthi ngibe i-decoration, ngiyanibona nina, all my ideas, all my visions, you just clip them. But because you are here to grow, not ukuthi usinikeze ama-visions nama-ideas. Yo guys, Azande was disappointed once again. Akupheli-ke lapho, lo bhuti ekuthiwa uBill Williams uke wafona-ke, sebenzisa-ke inamba yaphesheya kwey'lwandle eningi guys, engaqali ngabo 031 or 072 lawa esiwajwayele la eMzansi. Guys, uthe mephendula ifoni u-Azande wakhuluma-ke isilungu saphesheya ubhuti wathi, hey, how are you Azande? You know what I've been thinking about your idea that you just approached me with. It's so excellent. You know what? I want you to set up a quick meeting with your leaders. What is their name again? Oh, it's Zoleka and Lazarus. I would like to meet up with them immediately. Wamane wathini-ke guys u-Azande? Let me get back to you. Why would he say that? Because wazi kahle ukuthi uZoleka beno Lazarus they said no already. Kanti hayi ubhuti useneplan entsha. Ube kuyidrop ifoni wahamba waye kumnikazi we-idea qhawekazi, eyommanipulator phela, eyomenza ukuthi-ke abone ukuthi le idea yakhe it means billions and trillions in the future. Wathi awukungitshele-ke we qhawekazi, le idea yakho uyithemba kangakanani? Uyithemba kangangokuthi awunayo inkinga ukuthi siyithathe siyise phesheya kwey'lwandle without i-approval kaZoleka? So mina sengikhulumile nabantu baphesheya and they are giving it a head go. So wena-ke manje umbuzo sele ukuthi, are you willing to take this idea phesheya kwey'lwandle without being under the shadow of your mother uZoleka or iKhosela Tech or iNgcukaana Industries? Waqeda wamshiya kanjalo. And uQhawekazi-ke siyazi ukuthi bekade motivated kangakanani ngale idea yakhe uze wahamba eCape Town eyofundisisa kahle ngayo, thola information, a-research-e kahle. So she has put on a lot of work. And manje lento siyamhalisa ukuthi njengoba phela uZoleka abe noLazarus-ke beloke behudula iy'nyawo ngale ndaba, kukhona abantu abangamane begxume behlale kuyona. So lokho kuyamhalisa kakhulu girl. But if she takes this plan with uAzande, that means uzobe eseba isitha or esibanga iy'nkinga kwi-relationship yakhe noma wakhe kanye no-stepfather wakhe uLazarus. So ugirl will be taking a risk kahle kahle mengase kuthiwa uyithatha le idea yakhe uyisa phesheya. And uAzande cannot be trusted. Angimthembi uAzande. Like yonke into ayenzayo akayenzeli for the benefit of another person but himself. So girl, komela gawula bheke, because uAzande is not to be trusted. Guys, I hope girl uzowenza i-decision right. Akupheli-ke lapho guys. Le koMabandla-ke namhlanje-ke sike sathola amagama abo aphelele for the first time. Shuthi-ke uHlathi uke washo ukuthi ufisa sengathi ngaba khona umuntu obhodlela kuyena ngokuthi phela umntanakhe uyanga ucishe wafa esibhedlela. So uthathe konke ukubhodlela Xolani who saved Yanga's life. Washo ukuthi nje he blames him ngokuthi angafoneli bona kuqala before ayise umntwana esibhedlela. But-ke uThumeka wamtshela ukuthi no, you are actually taking your anger to someone who really helped uYanga. So thatha le anger yakho uyise somewhere else but not to uXolani. Wathi ya unyanisile kalokhu. Wathi ya vele ndinyanisile wena Mthetho Joseph Mabandla. Wathi ayo uyathetha-ke manje wena Thumeka Gertrude. Oh, gratitude guys, it's gratitude Mabandla. Wathi no correction on that. Angisiyena kaMabandla mina ngokaBhikitsha. Wathi hey asikatshikitsha amaphepha divorce. So wena ngisho Home Affairs usewonga wakaMabandla. And then-ke guys bancokola up until hayi ngeke kwavuka ispark again kulabantu. Ngisho-ke sebelele ebusuku iloyo belele kwelinye ikamera omunye lele kwelinye ikamera, but they were still thinking about each other to a point ukuthi-ke kugcine sekuvuleka iminyango and then they went to sleep in the same room. Guys, le ndaba ye-divorce bengishilo iyaphela, ayisekho le divorce. Labantu laba engathi basazoqhubeka nje nomshado wabo kamnandi, and abantu abazophenduka iy'lima yilaba bese be-celebrate mekhona ade be-celebrate ukuthi-ke uHlathi benoThumeka are getting a divorce. Guys, avela lapho ngabazivela namhlanje. Ningakhohlwa ukusubscribe and like and comment. Until next time, bye. Sanibonani guys, igama ngiNqobile niphathela amazwela e-Inimba ngomhla ka-1 May. Guys, uAzande-ke uyasha ngale idea le kaQhawekazi ye-medical technology. Uhambile-ke namhlanje waya